What we got here, John Deere 7710 front wheel assist, the weight cell separate, guys, and the duals. Quick hitch stays with it. It's all original paint except for the rims, and they touched up the frame a little bit. Quick hitch again stays with it. Triple remotes, or quadruple, I don't know, I think it's got power beyond. 1000 RPM PTO. Overall, pretty good straight looking tractor. Motor's real clean. It's got the optional joystick control in the cab and the dual remotes in the front for a loader hookup or whatever you'd like. Interior looks pretty good. Again, it's got the 4-speed with the partial power shift, the joystick, triple remotes, right? Triple remotes, computer. Okay, give you a quick little video over here.